2011 Chevy Colorado. You guys can see 4-cylinder or 5-cylinder. No, they're 5 cylinders actually. There's a manifold cat up there, secondary converter there, 2.5-inch pipe. Then what we did is duals. Duals, we all love duals here. As you guys can see, we widened it out, dualed it back out the back. To dual these, you have to take the spare tire guys out. Unfortunately, that had to go. It's got 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into some angle cut 3.5-inch by 18 angle cut tips. There and there to complete the look. Came out beautiful. There's the stock muffler that was on it. There's the stock tailpipe that was on it. We cut all that off. All right. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comments, and subscribe. It's good. Is it the 5-cylinder? Yeah, so it is the 5-cylinder, guys. Oh, look at that pop, dude. Hell yeah. Here's sound decibels. With the pop, it's 107. I like that pop. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it out. It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Sauce Addict Special, guys. Chevy Colorado 4-door, 5-cylinder. With duals. That sounds so good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Colorado, tinted out, windshield and all. Duals, 18-inch angle cut tips out the back. Straight pipe. Oh, that sounds so good. I'm surprised. Wow. That sounded really nice.